I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your transaction history on Alpaca, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Alpaca website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, find the account tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select transaction history. In the account section, look for the transaction history option and click on it. This will take you to a detailed view of your transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter the transaction history by date, type, or status to find specific transactions. Use the filter options at the top of the page. Step 5. Review and export. Once you have your desired transactions displayed, you can review them on screen or export the data as a CSV file for your records. Remember, if you don't see any transactions, double-check your filters to ensure they are set correctly. Happy trading!